Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve OBS Studio video capture device not showing video capture. So basically what you'll need to do is open up your OBS and then go to video capture device. After that, just right click it and click properties. And right here you'll see this window pops up. And then what you'll need to do is select the right device. After that, select activated, and if you have any issues, click on configure video and see if everything looks right. After that, scroll down and make sure our buffering is on auto detect. Then click OK, and that should fix your problem. If it is not, what you'll need to do is basically go and search for OBS and click run as administrator, and it will run on all administrator privileges, and basically this will make work your video capture device. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.